Hello, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with your Rockamercial for the week. Your guide to what all is happening here in Richmond County this week. We are in the Robinette building, which is part of Richmond Community College in downtown Rockingham, where tonight yoga starts where we are at 6 p.m. This class will run through May of this year. You can see more information about the yoga class offered here in downtown Rockingham in the Robinette building on the Richmond Community College website and sign up so you can be a part of this yoga fun. Also, tonight at 6 p.m., just around the corner at the Arts Richmond building, the Richmond County Photography Group will have their monthly meeting. Over in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, they will have music bingo. Also in Hamlet tonight at the Ballroom, Sam and Lisa West will have their Thursday Throwdown. Live music will be here in downtown Rockingham tomorrow night at Hudson Brothers. They will have the Safety Committee Band. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke, and in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, it is Friyay karaoke. On Saturday, January the 20th, Lowe's in Rockingham will have another installment in their Kids Do-It-Yourself workshops. This starts at 10 a.m. Also at 10 a.m., another workshop across the county at the Sandhills AgInnovation Center will teach you how to compost. Saturday night, or actually Saturday afternoon, the party starts at 4 p.m. at Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet with an 80s themed party. At Axe to Grind, they will have a murder mystery event. And in Strikers Lounge at Strikers Bowling Alley, they will have live music with Peter O'Day. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Make sure you are subscribed to our blog so you can receive our weekly newsletter that goes out at the beginning of every week. And see our videos here, our Rockamercials, every Thursday. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. We hope to see you around town. If not, we will definitely see you next week.